This video is designed for our people who are preparing for IELTS exam. Here, you will get latest IELTS question, timer for preparation, and speaking. At last, you will get Band 9 model answer. This video will help for self-practice. You will get 1 minute for preparation plus 2 minutes for speaking.
Describe your favorite bird. You should say, name of the bird, where and when you see it, why you like it.
Birds are a beautiful creation of nature. They are helpful to us in many ways. It is difficult to say which bird is my favorite, but here I would like to speak about the national bird of my country, peacock. I like peacock because it is one of the most beautiful birds found in my country. It is a large bird that cannot fly very high in the sky. It can only jump a few meters above the grounds. It is found in all parts of the country, but it prefers remote areas to live. They are also found in cities, in grounds, gardens and farms where human interference is minimal. Peacocks live back. Its feathers are colorful and also considered holy as per Hindu mythology because Lord Krishna used to wear peacock's feather in his crown. Peacocks also has a crown on its head that makes it the king of birds. In addition, we can also find white peacocks in some parts of my country. White peacocks look even more gorgeous and stunningly attractive. In monsoon season, peacocks dance in rain and spread all their feathers to attract peahens. This sight of dancing peacocks is a wonderful scene to watch. Peacock also has a melodious sound that they use to call their group. They make their sound more at sunrise and sunset.
For regular updates, like and subscribe our YouTube channel, type suggestion in comment box.